Ever wanted to use Grab but don't have a bank account? Or maybe your card just isn't working? Don't worry, you're not alone. Lots of people wonder how to pay for Grab rides with cash. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's dive in. Grab is a fantastic app for getting around, connecting you to rides, food deliveries, and more. But sometimes, you might find yourself in a situation where cash is your only option. Maybe you're traveling and haven't had a chance to set up your bank account with the app yet. Or perhaps you're just more comfortable with cash transactions. Whatever the reason, Grab understands. They offer a convenient way to pay with cash, making it accessible for everyone. Now, how exactly does cash payment work with Grab? There are a few key things to know. GrabPay Cash. This is essentially a digital cash wallet within the Grab app. You can top up your GrabPay Cash account with cash at various designated locations, such as convenience stores, supermarkets, and even some mobile money agents. Cash payment for rides. For some ride types, you can choose to pay with cash directly to the driver. However, this option may have some limitations, such as a minimum fare or a slightly higher price compared to other payment methods. Let's break down how to top up your GrabPay Cash. Find a top-up location, open the Grab app and go to the GrabPay section. Look for the top-up option and then tap on Find Top-Up Locations. This will show you a map of nearby locations where you can add cash to your account. Visit the location, head to the chosen location, such as a 7-Eleven or a local supermarket. Inform the cashier. Tell the cashier you want to top up your GrabPay Cash. You will usually need to provide your mobile phone number associated with your Grab account. Pay cash. Hand the cashier the amount you wish to top up. Confirmation. The cashier will process the transaction. You will receive a notification within the Grab app confirming the successful top-up. Once you have funds in your GrabPay Cash wallet, using it for rides is super easy. Book your ride. Use the Grab app to book your desired ride. Select GrabPay Cash as payment. When booking, choose GrabPay Cash as your payment method. Enjoy your ride. Sit back and relax. The fare will be automatically deducted from your GrabPay Cash balance. Important notes. Check availability. Cash payment options may vary depending on your location and the type of Grab service you're using. Always check the app for the latest information and any applicable fees. Safety first. When dealing with cash, always prioritize your safety. Be mindful of your surroundings and avoid displaying large amounts of cash unnecessarily. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.